It's me, and today, you're probably wondering why I'm in the woods. Well, I'm with my friend again, Jack, and he's going to be rope swinging with a giant tree, apparently. And the end of it is right there, that little stick.
The end of the rope goes all the way up to the tree down to right here.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! That's funny. Okay, my turn. Hold it.
Up. Get up on the log.
Oh gosh.
Ready? Pull it tight.
I need to get a good grip. Okay.
Ready to go.
That was awesome. That's literally the best thing ever. Come back. Put your hand back. That was awesome. We made a better idea. Higher.
See, the log was on its side earlier, but
Yeah.
I got it.
Uh-huh.
Put it upright up.
Yeah.
So,
It's gonna be like the funniest thing ever.
a lot higher. Ready?
We might even get his balls crushed, but who cares? 3, 2, 1, go! I was watching you, but the camera wasn't on you.
Ow!
You have to redo that.
My hands!
Okay.
Look at that. Look at my hands.
Oh my gosh, I feel bad for you.
Oh.
I feel bad for you.
Alright, Vaughn, your turn.
If I have to judo kick this tree, I will.
I would love to see that.
Yeah, that would be like really funny. And then I just break my arm. Break my leg.
Alright, I'm ready when you are.
3, 2, 1. Oh gosh, it does hurt your hand. We're probably gonna do a part 3 of this.
Show me your hands.
And then we're gonna get some gloves.
Show me your hands. Are they messed up?
No.
Nope, not at all compared to mine.
That was awesome. Ooh, do you know what we should do?
What should we do, Vaughn?
Run and see if we could get back on the log.
Run and see if we can get back on the log?
Yes.
All right.
We're gonna do part 4 of it.
Alright, ready?
Then we're doing that. Actually, no, we don't.
Alright, go.
Oh god. I almost
Alright.
kicked it.
Alright, my turn. See if I can do it.
Oh
Here you
my
go.
god.
Hold the camera.
Okay. It's gonna be so funny.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh. Hey!
Go back.
Oh.
Oh, it's gonna hurt my hands. It's so bad.
Oh no.
This is nuts. Ow! Stay still, Brent, please. Here, point the camera up to the tree. I'm gonna pull it over.
See the guy's tree.
Alright. Alright, that's enough.
Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Hey everyone, it's me.
No, it's me, Jack, and I'm gonna be breaking this tree limb right here. So
Yeah, here we go.
right here.
Yeah, part 3, apparently. Yeah.
Yeah, let's just put this all into one video. How about that?
Wait, can we do that?
Yeah, we can. Alright, let's break this.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. You freaking broke it.
Yeah, I broke it, but I also broke something else too, so.
I wonder how many people heard this in Mount Laurel. Yeah.
Yay! Alright.
Okay. See you next time. See you in the next video. Bye. Part 4 again. We're gonna be breaking this giant log with my friend Jack. Hey, you did it! You did it! Oh gosh. Use the force. Where's your strength? I got it on camera. That was the best thing ever.
Look at this.
Use the giant stick of
Big
force.
stick.
What?
Corn on it.
With some turd on the end of it. Giant turd on tree. Oh gosh.
Wait.
Sticked it.
It's time to break this one now.
You sticked it. Ba-dum-ba-dum.
Da 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 da. Alright, that's the end of this video.
Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Actually,
See you on the flippity flop.
okay, see you guys. Okay,
Don't explain it, just watch.
part 5, like them. Okay,
Oh,
he's gonna try to land on that thing.
no.
Ew! He didn't do it.
Ooh, splinters.
Splints.
Splinters for days.
Splinty splints.
Alright, that's good.
Good job being a man.
John Cena!
Run, Forrest, run! A freak. Car. Car. Go. We're both Forrest. Come on. There you are. There's Forrest.
Peace out. See you later, homie.
See ya.